Hello, welcome to the shop. It's a solemn day today. This is going to be more garden forward, but I'll spin you around here. I think it's time to thin some seedlings. My peppers and my eggplants germinated great, except for some habanero. I always have trouble with habaneros, but they were some older seeds, so. But even that did pretty good. But the newer ones, the ones from Baker Seeds, nearly 100% success rate in germination, which means I have too many in the spots. I'll spin you around. Oh, look at that. Like here, 3 really great ones. Now, if I would have multi-sown and something else to prick them out, I think those are jalapenos there. I could have possibly pricked them out and put them in somewhere else, but oh yeah. Just real quick, here's my pipe stand. I just put some shellac on it. Looks pretty nice. But honestly, I'm really trying to do things a little better this year, not have 4,000 plants that don't go in the ground and sit around and take up space. I'm really focusing on certain amounts. But anyways, just a little quick snippet. That's what's going on at Noah's house today. See ya. Okay, it's done. The trimming, the thinning, whatever you want to call it. Spin you around. I noticed the other day I did a video. Oh my gosh, I need to shave, lose some weight, shave, cut my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna spin you around. Well, there they go. All thinned down. The one plant per cell. Except for a couple of habaneros because, well, I'm just not gonna do it yet. But there's the pile of stuff that I trimmed out. Honestly, I'm a little more like to the book this year. I made a chart, what I'm doing, days I'm starting, when things should be, germinated, blah, blah, blah. And probably the best germination of peppers I've ever had. I'm not overdoing it. Anyways, I hate to do it. Thinning out is a tough thing, but I did it. So, on to the next snippet.